Hello everyone, welcome to Zerodha's quarterly update. The last quarter has brought several important changes that affect how you trade and invest. Before we explore our new features, let's cover the important regulatory updates from SEBI. The following changes are already in effect. Starting November 20, 2024, the minimum contract value for Index F&O has increased to 15 lakh rupees. This has led to revised lot sizes for index derivative contracts. Weekly expiry contracts are now available on just one benchmark index. SEBI has also added a 2% extreme loss margin on short positions during expiry day. From October 7, 2024, 100% of your sale proceeds are credited instantly to your trading account. Previously, only 80% was available the same day. Note that this doesn't apply to buy today, sell tomorrow trades, where funds are available the next day. Given all these changes, we've seen a 20 to 30% drop in F&O activity, both on exchanges and across brokers, since these regulations came into effect. Keep in mind, most of these measures aren't even fully implemented yet and will feel their full impact next year. If markets continue to move sideways, we can expect the turnover to decrease even further. And from next year, the following changes will be carried out. Starting Feb 1st, 2025, traders won't get margin benefits for calendar spreads on expiry day. You'll need to maintain full margin, helping reduce unpredictable price movements and risk. From April 2025, there will be intraday monitoring of position limits in derivative contracts. Now, let's look at the new features we've added to enhance your trading experience on Kite. We've introduced brand search on Kite Web, making it easier to find companies using their brand or product names. Our new event search on Kite helps you search for stocks based on upcoming corporate actions. The Technicals widget is now available on both Kite Web and Kite app. It gives you a quick summary of stocks and F&O contracts, market heat map, and top performers all in one place. We've added Alert Triggers Order or ATO to the Kite app. This lets you create alerts based on different parameters and notifies you when those conditions are met. We've also launched Margin Trading Facility or MTF on Kite. MTF allows you to buy shares by paying only a portion of the total cost, with Zerodha funding the remaining amount. For commodity traders, we've added the Commodity Options chain on Kite. You can now view prices and open interest quickly and trade directly from the option chain. We've introduced Privacy Mode to the Kite app as well. Privacy Mode hides your sensitive financial information during screen sharing or public use. And for global market watchers, you can now track global indices directly within Kite. Now, let's talk about our educational initiatives. Varsity, our educational platform, has turned 10 this year. We've expanded our reach with Varsity Kannada on YouTube.
Finance series na ee ಎರಡನೇ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಶೂರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ
and launched our personal finance course in Indian Sign Language on the Karmayogi Bharat portal. We hosted our second community meetup in Bangalore on November 26, 2024, where Abid from Sensible shared insights about trading for a living. And we'll be back with another meetup in a different city soon. Our new podcast, Side Notes, already has 20 episodes, each presenting complex finance concepts through stories and case studies. We've also added the 17th module to Varsity, which covers everything in and around NPS. Now let's move on to the interesting updates on Coin. We've introduced Systematic Transfer Plan or STP on Coin. Think of it as a combination of SWP and SIP, allowing transfers across funds from different AMCs. The Coin web UI has been completely revamped, adding new columns for current NAV, average NAV, and daily P&L change. Transaction history is now available directly on the holdings page, and we've improved the context menu for easier transactions. For easier payments, the Coin app now has built-in UPI features. You can pay for mutual funds directly in the app using your primary bank account linked with Zerodha. We've also enabled mutual fund investments for minors. Your children can now invest directly through their Zerodha minor account and even set up SIPs easily. Since the launch of our full-fledged operations last year, our loan book has steadily grown and now stands at 365 crores. You can avail a loan across 1,200 securities. We've launched several new initiatives on the Markets by Zerodha channel. Our market alerts on Twitter gives you quick summaries of important exchange filings. The Daily Brief is now available in Kannada.
ಝಿರೋದ ಮಾರುಕಟ್ಟೆಯ ದ ಡೈಲಿ ಬ್ರೀಫ್ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ
Making market insights accessible in more languages. We've launched the Aftermarket Report. Welcome to the Aftermarket Report by Zerodha, giving you a concise summary of each day's market movements. Beyond the Charts, our weekly show.
Hello and welcome to Beyond the Charts. This is a show where
Insightful charts and stories about key developments in finance. And our new show, It's the Economy Stupid,
Welcome to another episode of It's the Economy Stupid.
breaks down complex economic trends into simple, understandable insights. The Who Said What show explores deeper meanings behind statements from industry leaders and policymakers. We've also launched Money Mindful,
Let's start with personal finance.
a video series aimed at encouraging part-time mutual fund distributors. This complements our educational initiatives covering the NISM Mutual Fund Distributor curriculum. Free and open source software, or FOSS, has been the backbone of everything we do at Zerodha. We are setting up a dedicated fund to support FOSS projects globally, starting with $1 million a year. This is our way of giving back to a community that's been crucial to our journey. Finally, through Rainmatter Investments, we continue supporting driven founders in wealth, health, sustainability, and the storytelling space. You can check out all our recent investments through the link below. Have any questions about any of our updates? Please feel free to drop them in the comments below and we will be happy to answer them. Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. Brokerage will not exceed SEBI prescribed limits.